Hey, hello, Mina's here, and I'm glad to be back actually to my channel and making a new video. And if you are following me from if you followed the couple of videos, the previous videos, you'll find that I'm creating Rust oriented content. And because it's like mainly I'm learning Rust through teaching, so I'm just doing examples with Rust. And because like this is the first video after like 4 months or something, in those 4 months I was touching heavily on CBB and other languages than Rust. So I just thought of doing a couple of Rust refreshment or Rust review. And it will be beneficial for anyone that like left Rust for a while and come back to it, and then or just someone who's fresh new want to uh, have like a quick tutorials or quick demo. And today tutorials, and as usual, I have like a new directory on the demos, and then I will link it to the GitHub code at the end. And here, as you can see, we have an empty. I just ran cargo new, and we have an empty boilerplate. And so today in this demo, we'll just ask the user for their input and then accept this input and show it on the screen and on the terminal, and that's it. So first we can just refresh using the print line exclamation mark for macro because it's a macro, and we can say like welcome in our application, and that's it. And then after that, we'll just define a new user input, and it will be mutable user input because we need the users to edit this input. We are just creating the container for this input, and it will be of type string. It will be of type string, and it will be equal to string new. And this, what string new is doing is creating an empty space and on the heap, and it's now like an empty container waiting for the data to be streamed in. And we can just in the terminal, like we can run cargo run, yes, and just see a warning because this variable is not yet used. And then to accept user input, you need to use the standard input output library, which is shipped with all the standard Rust versions. And then here I have the container. I need just to modify it. I'll just start with input output, and then I will ask for the standard input, and then I will read line from the standard input. The same concept if you're coming from CBB, it's the same concept as CN and cout, accepting like line from the buffer. And here I'll just reference that I want to use a reference to my mutable user input. I create a mutable reference to the user input, and finally I'll just make sure that in case of errors, I have like error um, printing error to the screen. And now let's see, now we can just print what the user typed. So you typed, and then we inject the updated user input, and let's run it. And it's now asking me for application, just write my name. And yeah, you typed Mina. And this is like a very quick tutorial or very quick video, just coming back to my channel. And also I'm testing like new hardware, testing the sound. I know I got a couple of complaints about the sound. I'm using those new AirPod 3, and I hope like it enhance my voice. I try to make like more quality videos with time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all the best. Have a great day. Bye bye.